Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Nas from the MATLAB Expert, and today we will see together how to clearly install the MATLAB Toolbox, which is called Robotic Toolbox for MATLAB by Peter Cork. So first of all, we need to go to the official website of Peter Cork. So this is the official website. Then there are, as you can see here, there are three installation methods mentioned in this website. So the most, by my experience, I think the easiest way is to choose the second one. So we need to go and download this file. As you can see, it's called RTB dot MATLAB Toolbox. So I already downloaded it, and then we need just to go and open it. Yes, that's so simple. So as you can see here, we are installing the toolbox, and once the installation is completed, we can see that this window that say the installation have done properly. Okay, so we can just close it. We can check everything. Okay, so this is the toolbox, and this is the robotic toolbox for MATLAB, and it's by Peter Cork. Okay, you can start the demo part of this toolbox. And okay, so here, as you can see, we can work on mobile robots, or what we call them, arm robots. Okay, for example, let's try all the arm robots and see the forward kinematics maybe. Okay, so here we are loading the Pima 560, and let's see together. Okay, so we load it. So this is the zero position. Okay, so we performed the forward kinematics for the zero position. So as you can see, this is the transformation matrix of the end effector of the robot. Okay, so now we are generating a time vector, and now we are generating let's say signals for the joints and for during this time vector. Okay, so this is the queue, and we can perform, as I said, the forward kinematics not only for a vector but for a configuration, or say a matrix. Okay, so, and this is the final yes, so this is the first position. Okay, and this is the 10th position of the tool of the end effector. Yes, okay. Yeah, and now we can plot the x, y, and z position of the end effector, like we are tracking the end effector movement. Okay, so this is the x, this is the y, and this is of course the z. And this is if you want to plot maybe the x, y, okay, coordinates. Yeah, this is the xz coordinates plan. Okay, yes, we can explore the other options like the inverse dynamics, jacobians, for singularity analysis. In the same way, we can test the mobile robots. We can create even our specific robot. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, thank you.